Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a poster on iPhone contact. So first of all, it says right here, scroll to the poster that you want to delete, then swipe up on the poster, the red trash can button to delete the poster. So let me go back to my screen and go ahead to my phone at the below. Here you're gonna see my contacts and everything. Go ahead and click on your name. Let's say for example you want to change the Bitmoji or you want to change the avatar. Click the edit at the top right, and you're gonna be able to see your name, your last name, and click the edit again, right? And you can change it to a normal background, blank, or if you wanted to customize another one, you could do whatever you want by clicking the plus button at the below right corner, and then just go ahead and click photos if you wanted to, or if you wanted another one, Memoji or monogram, you can just do that by yourself, right? So basically hit done right here at the top, and basically now you just created your own poster on iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.